Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Wow, seriously, stop everything you are doing and just look at this kitchen. This is insane. It's the ultimate modern Tudor meets cottagecore mashup, and honestly, it's a game changer. It's totally giving cozy luxury vibes, like you're having tea at a super chic English country manor, but like super updated. The first thing you notice is the light, right? That massive bay window is maybe 8 feet wide, just flooding the room with sunshine. And then you look up. Hello, drama! Those dark, rich, exposed wood beams against the soft sage paint? Yes, please. The ceiling must be at least 10 feet high, making this space feel absolutely grand, even though it's snugly cozy. The cabinetry is creamy white, classic shaker style, but the island? That butcher block wood top is perfection for food prep, and it's a great size, easily 6 feet long. And let's not ignore the stove setup. They built a custom alcove with rough stone around the range, paired with white tile. It looks so artisanal. You know, so many kitchens these days are either super cluttered or super cramped, but this design fixes all that. It uses open shelving strategically, keeping the plates feeling displayed but not messy. It's organized, it's welcoming, and it proves you can mix rustic charm with high-end architecture. Dream home definition. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.